Now it's time for Flex Facts. So, Dr. Fleck, what are we going to talk about today?
Today we're going to talk about why dogs lick and chew their paws.
Oh, great topic. A
Yeah.
big problem so many pet owners have.
So if your dog is licking his paws, you'll need to find out the underlying cause. That makes sense, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And whether it's an issue that requires a vet visit. The problem is that there are so many possible reasons why dogs lick or chew at their paws.
Okay, you know what? Let's start out by you sharing with us the most obvious reason why dogs lick their paws.
Well, dogs will occasionally lick their paws as part of just normal self-grooming. But when your dog is constantly licking his paws, or you notice that your dog keeps licking one paw in particular, there's probably another explanation.
Okay, so let's start out with hot spots.
It is a response to intense itchiness and often happens quickly, like overnight. There's often hair loss with moist, red, itchy, and smelly skin. A topical anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial spray made for dogs may help treat a hot spot on a dog's paw until the cause can be determined. Even topical hydrocortisone sprays can be helpful.
Okay, so what's another reason dogs are licking their paws?
Bacterial infections.
Okay.
Bacterial infections can develop when the skin is damaged and normal surface bacteria overgrow or invade. The presence of scabs may be combined with redness, flaky skin, and hair loss. A medicated dog shampoo or dog wipe used routinely can help restore the normal balance of organisms on your dog's skin.
I think that's why a lot of people these days are turning to paw sanitizer after they take their dogs for walks, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's one that a lot of people kind of joke about, but I kind of want to know about this one. What about those dogs whose paw smells like corn chips?
Corn chips are good to eat, but not on the paws, that's for sure. What that is yeast. Yeast is another source of infection when allowed to overgrow and contribute to itchiness, odor, and an overall greasy feel to the skin. To treat a yeast infection in a dog's paw, use medicated dog shampoos and dog wipes that are combined with antifungal to help control yeast on the skin.
Okay, because that one is going to be really key for a lot of pet owners out there. Okay, another big one that a lot of people think of first. What about allergies?
Big thing. If your dog has itchy paws, allergies may be the cause, and it probably is, quite frankly.
Yeah, but a lot of times it's not always food. Because you remember a few years ago, a lot of people were thinking it was food allergies, but it's not necessarily the case.
Well, that was a trend, and trends sometimes disappear.
Okay.
And it's been recognized now that less than 1% of skin allergies are caused by food allergies.
Right. A lot of times it's environment.
But allergies are common and can be caused by the environment or food, as we were saying, or an irritant that comes into contact with your dog's skin. So redness, dark pigmentation, or brown staining on the paws from constant licking may be signs of skin allergies. Bathing or wiping your dog's paws after going outside will reduce the allergens on your dog's skin. Topical creams or sprays, maybe with hydrocortisones or other anti-inflammatory products or ingredients that are marketed for dogs may temporarily reduce the itch, but more intense licking requires systemic medication. Prescription meds that affect the entire body are usually those that are systemic.
You know, it's funny, as you were saying that, I was thinking about my contact allergies because I don't have paws, but I have hands. And sometimes I can touch a doorknob or touch a bag or something, and all of a sudden, and you've seen this, my hands will turn absolutely positively red, the tops and the bottoms. And it's a contact allergy that I picked up.
You have to recognize the skin and ear issues are the number one medical issues that veterinarians have to deal with.
Right. Okay. So what if your dog continues to lick his paws? What other potential reasons will prompt your dog?
Just think about this. When from snow melts and salts.
Mm-hmm. And that's still going on right now.
That's going on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Toenail injuries. People don't take care of their toenails as much as they should for pets. Overgrown nails, burns from hot surfaces
especially in the summer months,
Coming
like
up.
walking on tar.
coming up, parasites like ticks and mites, cysts, blisters, insect bites. I see that very frequently. Objects or particles stuck in paws, pain and anxiety, and even boredom. So if your pet experiences any of these ailments, call your vet's office for further discussion about options and remedies that are available to make your pet be healthier and feel better.
And stop licking those paws.
And maybe get some sleep at night. Skin is a very important part of my practice and important to me and to most everybody. And I recommend, especially if there's severe skin issues, that you always treat from the outside in and the inside out. And your veterinarian has the best opportunities and the best treatment protocols for that. In addition to that, many people make the mistake that you treat once and that's all you have to worry about. Always remember, when the doctor asks you to return for a visit, please return, because what they're going to do then is give you a management or maintenance protocol for better skin health.
Yeah, and you'll also really, once they, check out the paws or check out any skin issue, they can see how it's progressing to see if that first round of treatment really did work.
Is really effective, or whether they need an alternative approach.
Yeah, I think that's a really big problem, especially now, especially in these hard financial times. I know people are worried about that, but it's really important to return to your veterinarian.
But the recheck is very important too, because in the recheck, what we're doing is we're giving you guidance of how to prevent this in the future.
Sure. Got it. Anything else, Dr. Fleck?
That's all the Flex facts for the week.
Thanks for viewing our content on Pet Buzz Plus.